This video shows you how to boil chicken breasts and shred them from scratch. To boil your chicken breast, I'm using 2 large chicken breasts. I mean 2 large bone-in chicken breasts. Place your chicken breast into a large pot. You want to season the chicken with fresh celery stalk, grated ginger, minced garlic, dried thyme, oregano, curry powder, chicken bouillon seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and diced onions. Add water, just enough to cover the chicken, but don't overfill the pot. All of these seasonings are really important because chicken breast is naturally bland. Cover the pot and bring to a boil on medium heat for 20 minutes. After cooking the chicken breast for 20 minutes, I would like to turn them over and just leave them to sit in the hot broth for 5 minutes. This helps to lock in moisture. Transfer the chicken breast to your chopping board and leave to cool down completely. And for the chicken broth, this is really rich. You can strain it through a colander and then store it in the freezer, and you can use it to prepare your soups and porridges. At this point, the chicken has cooled down, and it's easy to handle this with your hands. So use your clean hands to pull out the skin. Then use a fork to separate the chicken flesh from the bone. You can use 2 forks to shred or pull the meat apart along the grain. The fork method is best if you prefer the thicker shreds. This method works well for stir-fry noodles, salad, sandwiches, wraps, and shawarma. So I'm just gonna use my hands to shred them because it makes the work quite easier and faster. This hand method is best if you prefer your shredded chicken on the thinner side. And we are done shredding the chicken breast. You can keep your shredded chicken breast in the fridge and use it up within 4 days. Or you go ahead and freeze it for up to 2 months in an airtight container. So this was how to boil chicken breast and shred them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!